Hi everyone, so it's that time of the year. Our finals are coming in. I'm not talking about the World Test Championship, but our CFA examination. So August is fast approaching, not much time left. So we often tell people here that you need to prepare well. It's about learning the concepts, understanding it. But if you've already paid $1,250 and you're worried about whether you will pass the exam or not, I'm going to give you some tips on how to prep for the next month or month and a half. The first thing to do is to start reviewing whatever you've learned, right? So just look at your notes. If you have created some notes, look at it, or you can get some summarized notes from various third-party providers. We obviously at Fintennis do provide that. So start looking at that and then solve a lot of problems. It's the way to learn it. Solve problems, and if you have doubts about a concept, then go back and look at the concept. Look at what's the theory behind that problem. So I recommend that you solve at least between 1,500 and 2,000 problems from now until the exam. And keep reviewing. So divide that 1,500 problems into 3 sets. So solve 500 problems, then review what you have studied, the concepts, then again solve another 500 problems. Then review for a day and then solve another 500 problems. Then take a few mock exams, okay? So if you feel it's overwhelming, you are not ready, we have launched a real condensed crash course for you for CFA Level 1 candidates. This is going to be a 75 to 80 hour prep where we're going to cover all the fundamental concepts in 3 days, 20 hours intensive prep. Then we are going to be looking at 2,000 questions, really honing your skills, making sure you understand the concepts, because given the shortage of time, this is the best way you can prepare, solving problems. So I am going to solve problems with you. I will answer any questions, make sure you understand it, and then we will review again some of the concepts, and then we'll take the mock exam. So the program is going to be launched end of June, 1 month intensive prep. We are all in this together. Let's crack this exam. Let's pass this together.